Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Farah Wahida Adam from Group 3 of Class NBH7B. Today, I will guide you through the key aspects of my group's performance appraisal form, highlighting how it aligns with the organizational goals and value. So let's start with the job description. We chose a lab technician roles or position to be evaluated, and this employee is working at Serum Berhad. So a lab technician plays an important role in testing chemicals, polymers and composites to ensure accuracy and compliance with international standards. The responsibilities, so there will be job responsibilities, include conducting high volume tests, operating sophisticated equipment like GC, MS and FTIR, and maintaining thorough records. For the qualification, the qualifications such as a diploma or degree in chemistry or material science are required, and then fresh graduate also encouraged to apply for this job. So skills in laboratory techniques, attention to detail, and familiarity with ISO or IEC 17025 standards are highly desirable. Okay, next, we are going to rating indicator. Our rating indicator provides a clear framework for evaluating staff performance. There are 5 levels, which is excellent, good, satisfactory, fair and poor. For example, an excellent rating indicates the employee has surpassed all standards and goes beyond expectations, while poor rating highlights areas needing immediate improvement. So this rating system helps managers provide constructive feedback, recognize outstanding performance, or identify staff who may need additional support. Finally, Section A of the appraisal form captures all important employee information such as employee ID, department, designation, and employment duration, and the review period. It also records the supervisor's details. The form emphasizes performance categories, linking back to the rating indicator to assess how well employees meet their job responsibilities. This systematic approach ensures assessments are fair, consistent, and aligned with organizational standards. So in summary, our performance appraisal form integrates the employee's role responsibilities, a standardized rating system, and detailed review data, encourage a culture of continuous improvement and excellence. Thank you.
The objective. So usually we put 20% for the objective, and there are 4 objectives that we include in this performance. And every objective we have a different weightage, and we put also target and achievement that staff need to get. So how we get the performance ratio? So how we calculate the performance ratio is by we divide the achievement divide by the target, and you will get the performance ratio. And from performance ratio, we need to multiply by the weightage to get the actual weightage. So from the total weightage, the staff get 23.78%. So exceed the amount of the total weightage of the section B that actually is 20%. To the section C is a competency of the staff, and here we divide the competency for 40% from the appraisal form. So there are 8 key areas that staff need to achieve, and every that we divide a same amount of weightage, that is 5% of weightage. So how we calculate is we put the target, what staff need to achieve target, the achievement what staff get, and how we get a performance ratio. We divide the achievement divide by target, and we will get the performance ratio. And from the performance ratio, we will calculate the actual weightage that we need to multiple performance ratio with the weightage, and we will get exactly the total weightage of the competency of the staff. So you can see the competency of the staff. He gets 43.49% from the 40% that he need to get. So this.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri Nur Aina Bilavan Rusli, and my ID number is 2022-997363. And today I will explain in section D and E. Section D, behavior. This section evaluate the employee's workplace behavior that support teamwork, professionalism, and productivity, which include the professional attitude, cooperation with others, initiative, adaptability, and respect for the company values. This section contribute 20% of the total appraisal score. The assessment focus area result oriental, interpersonal skill, creativity and innovation, and critical thinking and problem solving. There are 5 scoring indicators, which is excellent, very good, satisfactory, needs improvement, and unsatisfactory. So how to calculate the score? Step 1. Calculate the average rating. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 19. Step 2. Apply the weightage, which is 19 divided by 20 times to 20% equal to 90%. Final section D score is 90% out of 20%. Section E, attendance evaluation. This section evaluate the employees' punctuality and attendance behavior, including return from the break. Regular attendance reflect the professional and commitment. This section contribute 5% of the total appraisal score. This assessment key area of punctuality, unscheduled absence, and leaving management, and notification. There are 5 scoring indicator, which is outstanding, exceed expectation, meets expectation, need to improve, unsatisfactory. So how to calculate the score? Let's say the employees receive a score 5 on all key areas. Step 1, calculate the average rating. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. Step 2, apply the weightage. 15 divided by 15 times 5% equal to 5%. So the final section E score is 5% out of 5%.
Hi, my name is Suzy Insar. My ID number is 2022-914-939. Today I will be presenting section F, which is a major achievement and contribution of the employee who works as a senior lab technician. He has been always done a great job by using advanced lab equipment and making sure all the results are correct and delivered on time. One of the main achievements is helping to create and apply better quality control system, which reduce mistake in the lab and make the job faster. The employee also help to train the junior staff, which is make the team stronger and ensure the work could continue smoothly. From the perspective of the manager give the employee a 5 out of 5 rating for excellent performance. They were praised for showing the initiative, solving problem effectively, and keeping their work very accurate. This score, which is 0.05, show a high level of achievement in this area. Now let's move to the section G, where is the stakeholder feedback. The feedback from others was very positive. So from the supervisor said, the employee always goes beyond the expectation and take the lead when needed. Customer also appreciate the employee's professional attitude and clear communication, especially during Q2 product testing. Co-workers said the employee is reliable, supportive, and work well with the team. In the self-assessment, the employee showed pride in their work and strong desire to keep improving. In summary, the employee has not only met but gone beyond expectation, showing great skill in their job and working well with others. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wise and I'll be presenting section H and I of our performance appraisal form. These two sections are essential to tracking growth and setting future goals for employees. Section H, it is development achievement. This section focuses on the employee's learning, skill development, and personal growth during the current appraisal period. This includes the participation in training or workshop, acquiring new certificate or skills, taking on stretch assignment or cross-functional tasks, and improving soft skills such as communication or leadership. This appraisal will evaluate how much the employee has grown during their job scope. It reflects the employee's initiative and commitment to self-improvement, which is important for the long-term career development. Next, we will move on to section I, which is development plan for the next year. This section is looking forward and outline what the employer should do and focus for the next year to go further in their career. This includes the recommendation, training programs or courses, the skills they need to improve or acquire, the new responsibility or project goals, and soft skills or leadership development goals. This session is usually jointly discussed between the appraiser and the employee. This is to ensure that the development plan is aligned with both the employee career path and organization needs.
Hi, I am Rosaimi bin Ahmad. I will explain on Section J. Section J is the employee comments. On these sections must be completed by the employee. So, employee need to write down his comments on his appraisal process. He will need to tell the satisfaction on his performance and contributions throughout the years. And he also need to tell the employee he will continuing in giving the best effort on his work.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Habil bin Adam and my ID number is 2022548731. So I'm going to present section K, performance appraisal marks. So here we have us from section B to section H, and this is a total percentage and total marks. So section B is objective, total percentage 20 and total mark he get 23.78. Section C is a competency, total percentage 40 and total mark is 43.49. Section D, behavioral, total percentage 20 and he get 19. Section E, attendance, he for total percentage 5 and he get full mark, this one 5. And next, section F, major accomplishment, total percentage 5 and he get 5. Lastly, section H, developmental achievement, total percentage 10 and total marks 9.40. So he get 105.67. Next, final rating information from at the bottom 1 until 5. So this is 3L, 3M and 3 high. 3 lower, 3 mid and 3 high. Number 1, far below requirement. This percentage and below requirement. This percentage 3L and 3H meet requirement, occasionally under requirement from 90 to 94.99. meet requirement at all times 95.2, 99.99, and meet requirement occasionally exceed requirement in between 100 and 100 to 104.99. so this rating is exceed requirement in between 105 to 114.99, and lastly 5, rating 5 is outstanding in between 115 to 120. So we check here the date from 1 January 2025 to 31st December 2025. Position as a senior technician G16, appraisal Zuhairi bin Borhan. So the status MBC result as approved by Board of Director meetings. This is a preview detail result. The final mark he get 105.67 read 4, which is this area exceed requirement, and this is increment letter, and lastly bonus letter not applicable yet. So thank you for me.
Now we go to section L, the signatures part, which is the last section on this appraisal form. In these sections must be signed by 3%, which is the employee, the appraiser, and the countersigning officer. This page need to write all the data like name, positions, and also the date of the signing.